Hello friends, my name is Sohail Saudagar and today topic is string pull in Java. Uh, in a string, in a most important topic, there is a number of concepts related to string. But the string pull concept is the one of the most them string pull concept in a Java. It is a bit tricky concept. In this session, we are going about to discuss string pull or not a string pull or a string internal concept. So, what is the string pool? String pool is a nothing but the storage area in a heap. Where a string literal store is also known as a string internal pool or string constant pool. It is just like object we are going allocation memory by default. It is empty and privately maintained by the Java string class. Whenever we created string to string object occupies store space the heap memory, creating a number of class. Storage we are increase the cost and memory in which may reduce the performance also. The JVM perform same step doing the initialization of string internal that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of the string object created in a JVM, the string class keeps the pool of strings. When we create a string literal, the JVM first check the literal or string pool. The literal pool is already present in a pool. The returns the reference the period interns. The literal is not present in the pool. The new object is takes place in the string pool. Creating a string in a Java. There are two types of creating in a string pool in a Java. First is using string literal and second one is using new keyword. Using string literal. Example, string str is equal to in double quoted enter Python. Second example, string str2 double quoted enter Hefshen. This is a example of the string using literal, and the second one is using new keyword. Using new keyword, string str is equal to new string Python, and second example is str2 new string is in double quoted under Hefshen. This is the two example by literal and new. This is a thank you.